Alright, what are we doing today?
So we got 3 Avatar STU 12s and we're gonna recone all 3 of them.
Because
so
this one we ran out of glue, so
we're in the process of reconing that one, and these 2 finished reconing, so we're gonna break them in.
what are we using to break them in?
Crusty 18 is a clone of the.
And that thing is big.
I know it's really
Alright,
deep.
so hit it. Now look at that beastly coil. Nice. Yeah, kind of crazy. Yo, that amp is crazy, man.
And it's not even like up there.
I mean, it does weigh like 60 pounds. What do they weigh?
Like 50 something, so it's heavy.
Yeah. Alright, everything looked like it's good. No scraping sounds. I gotta clean that little bit of glue over there. Probably just leave it like this for like a half hour. Let them get a little loosening up, and that should be it. Send them off to the customer. Alright, let's wrap this up. Finish recording this one and call it a day. Alright, say bye.
Bye.